Hi, I'm Jackie Carnesi. I'm the chef at Kellogg's Diner. We're here at my home in Bushwick. Come on in. So first thing you see when you walk in is our gallery wall. It's my son's art. As opposed to just putting his stuff on the fridge, I wanted to give him a whole space that kind of celebrated his cute little pieces of art. And then behind me, I have this framed tile work that my mom got in Turkey. I didn't go on that trip, I wasn't invited, but here it is and I love it. I also hung a painting of my childhood home in the hallway. I'm a very sentimental person, which is why it was important for me to put all this stuff in my house, and it's a nice reminder of my hometown. Come with me into the dining room. I've recently inherited a few pieces of family furniture, including this desk back here, which belonged to my great aunt Dolly. These really fun velvety tassel chairs that I got from my grandma Dorothy. And then this Japanese panel that hung up in my childhood home. So I guess my design aesthetic can be described as eclectic, but mostly driven by nostalgia, and this room really makes me feel warm and loved. So for my room, I really wanted a space of serenity, so I tried to fill it with a lot of earth tones, this clay orange, the brown and the cowhide. My bedroom is filled with nostalgia. This quilt belonged to my mom. The print of the Chinese horses hung above my bed as a kid. And then the drawing is the only successful piece of art I made in college. So it's right around lunchtime. I'm getting pretty hungry and I want to eat something before I head to work, so let's head to the kitchen. It's a pretty standard New York City kitchen. It does have some pluses though. It's got a lot of storage, ample natural light, a cozy little dining nook. This mirror here was given to me by the owner of Kellogg's Diner. Diners are so integral to the spirit of New York, and I have a little bit of that in my own home. I'm gonna make a somewhat Mexican version of a Turkish dish called eggs chilbir. I grew up in Texas and the cuisine down there is predominantly Mexican food. That has definitely influenced my cooking and how I think about food and my usage of herbs and chilies and acid and heat and everything. So traditionally this dish is made with poached eggs over seasoned yogurt and then spices fried in butter and poured over the top of the eggs. But I don't like poached eggs and I do whatever I want in my kitchen, so I did it with fried eggs. In true chef's fashion, I'm gonna eat this quickly and standing up, but then I gotta head out to work. In my career, I think one of the universal aspects of a restaurant is that it attracts a certain type of person. Somebody who's creative and kind of thrives on chaos. I think Kellogg's is a big beacon of light in the neighborhood. It's always lit up in the middle of the night, and you come in, it's everything's a nice dusty rose color, lots of warm light. And we've got big plush booths, big tables so you can order a ton of food. It's just a very inviting space. But now you've seen my home, where I work and my commute, so it's time for me to get started with my day.
Well, if you like that, be sure to subscribe and follow so you can get new content right to your inbox all the time. Is that how it works? Click follow, subscribe, and smash that button. Do all those things. I'll see you soon.